Hello all, welcome to Sudarshan CAD Technologies channel. Today in this tutorial we are going to see how to use sensor feature in SolidWorks. So let's get started. So you can find the sensor folder in the feature manager here. If don't, then right click on the part name and click on hide or show tree item, and here you can see the sensors. Just click show and enter OK. So to add sensor, you should right click on sensor folder and add sensor. So here you can see different sensors like simulation data, mass properties, dimension, measurement, costing data, etc. Here we are going to use simulation data. Under that you can see stress, strain, displacement, frequency, etc. And in mass property you can find volume, different properties like mass, volume, surface area, and so on. You can also select dimensions. Okay, right now we are going to use mass property and then select the part. So right now the mass is 125 gram. If you want to alert, then we have to click on this alert and can see various conditions like is greater than, is less than, is exactly, and so on. We are going to see is greater than and enter the value that which you want not to exceed the volume of mass. Now we are going to enter as 150 gram and add the sensor. Next is we are going to change the thickness of this part. So let me change the thickness to 3 to 4 mm and enter OK. You can see it shows the warning here. It exceeds the volume that we have set. You can see 164 gram right now, which exceeds the volume, which exceeds the value which we have set as 150 gram. So let me just set back to 3 mm and enter OK. You can also set the various sensors like volume. Now we are going to select the volume. Select the body. Right now it is 104 mm, 104 centimeter cube. Let me set it to 110, and if we change the values like here 150 to 160, here from 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 43 to 46. So here you can see it will exceed the value that we have entered. So let me put back to normal. So that let me put back those normal values which were before 30. This is 35 and this will be 43. So that's how you can select the various sensors and use it in your diagram. So guys, that's it for this video. For more details, you can visit our official site at Sudarshan CAD Technologies. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you all in the next video.